Hi friends, this is the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and today we are doing creamy ranch chicken. We're starting off with 2 chicken breasts. Just put those right in there. There's a pretty good sized chicken breast. Then we're gonna do ranch dressing. That's what I have right there. And 2 tablespoons. There we go. And then 1 packet of cream cheese. This is literally a dump and go. Okay, we're going to turn our crock pot on high and cook for 3 hours. And then we'll be back to stir it all up and then to shred the chicken. You can turn your crock pot on high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 6 to 8. So let's put that lid on it and let's get cooking. Okay, friends, so as I came and I had to check on it, as I do, I needed to add a little bit of just a little bit of chicken broth, just a little bit, because I felt like the chicken itself didn't produce enough liquid. So, yeah, keep an eye on things here, because we're not looking to burn our food or scorch it or anything. Okay, so a little bit of water or chicken broth, okay? Yeah, see, that looks good. Just keep an eye on things. I am cooking mine on high, and this is why I had to do this, okay? I just wanted to let you know. Okay, I shredded the chicken. Love my chicken shredder. I'm just going to put it right there. I do believe I'm going to add a little bit more liquid. So you eyeball this, because all of our crock pots, they're just, they cook different. Kind of like the same but different. Okay. We want this creamy. Okay, we can see that pretty good. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more. So you just, eyeball it, okay? Okay. I think that is good. I mean, it's still creamy. All right, I'm going to put the lid back on this, and I'm going to make some noodles. Whew. Okay, friends, this was cooking pretty good. I might have even cooked it a little bit too long, but see, that is creamy. Okay, what we're going to want to do is I cooked peony noodles. I did butter the peony noodles, and I'm just going to scoop up in here and just grab some of that in there, right there. I am good. I do have some mild cheddar. I am just going to throw that on top of there, and voila, there we go. It is dinner. Okay, friends. This was easy, cheap recipe. Oh, I wanted to give you a tip too. I did not mix the noodles and the chicken together because if there's any leftovers, I would like to take that shredded chicken and maybe top it on top of some garlic toast. That would be really delicious. But this is dinner for tonight. Friends, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And as always, keep cooking. I love you all.